All right, welcome to this video. So I just wanted to make a quick video showing how I'm going to use Claude Code and also OPENCLAW, but mostly for now, Claude Code to basically analyze all of my YouTube statistics to be able to predict how I'm going to be doing based on the data that we have so far, which is maybe not enough, but to basically analyze where people are dropping off, what we can do better in the videos, and then cross-reference that based on best practices, which I basically scraped from a ton of videos and different sources on the internet. So as you can see, we are right now inside of my Claude Code, and I'm basically going to say, keep in mind, I've connected my YouTube through an OAuth, so I have a project set up on the Google Cloud Console network, and I'm basically able to connect that to both of my YouTube channels, and this is a secondary channel video. But yeah, so I'm basically just going to say, I want to analyze all of my YouTube data, and I want to check my 1 month statistics and the videos I uploaded in that month. And then I want to make a prediction model. I want to predict how many subscribers I'm going to have at the end of the year and how many views I will have at the end of the year based on if I upload 1 video per day or 1 video every second day or 1 video every third day. And I want you to also analyze my retention for my videos to kind of see where people are dropping off, and so that we can analyze what we can be doing better to make sure that people keep watching. And I think you can probably download or get the transcripts of all the videos to analyze the timing of what is happening during that moment. If you have another way that we should be doing this, just let me know. Cool. So I'm now using Whisperflow to basically send that. I'm going to send that over, and it has all the information about how to connect to my YouTube channel. So it's going to be thinking here, and we're going to come back whenever it's done. There might be something that is not fixed yet. I will come back when there's something to show you, because there's a big learning here to also be done, because it's not going to get everything perfect this time around, perhaps, but the moment it does get it right and we do the fixes, we're just going to turn this into a skill so it understands the process it needs to do the next time it basically goes ahead and do this, right? So we're going to pause the video here and then come back whenever it's time to come. All right, in the meantime, I recorded a video for my school community, which I'm now going to use my upload skill. So I basically added my video to my folder here, which is my secondary channel. I added the SRT file and then the video file. And now basically it's going to come up with title options. It's going to come up with tags. It's going to come up with description. And one thing that it's missing here is add my affiliate links and also video recommendations from my main channel, and also link to my community at Peapod. And then we're going to do OpenAI versus Anthropic for OPENCLAW. That's going to be the title, basically. And this is me answering like a community question inside of the school community. I took this playbook straight up from Nick Sarayab because, well, it's you're basically leveraging your whole content structure. And like whenever I make something for the community, I would want to share that as well, since people might get more eyeballs on the community and join that as well. But yeah, so that's basically how I do that process. And we're going to go back into the main focus of this video as well. Hold on. All right, so it's come up with a plan here. It's going to do refresh YouTube channel data. It's going to fetch audience retention curves for recent videos, download the transcripts for retention drop-off analysis, build prediction model, and then analyze retention patterns and correlate with transcript content, generate comprehensive HTML dashboard with all findings. So one of the things that I've always made sure here is that it's not going to generate me PDFs, because the PDF files are basically not usually blurry and not really helpful in any way. So I generate HTML dashboards instead, which comes out to be much more beautiful, much better to understand. And you can simply use Command or Control P to download it as a document as well. So we're going to get back once it's done here. It's going to analyze everything and do the analysis. All right, so as you can see, it used my description skill here to basically, for my secondary video here, it got me the whole description that we usually do for my main channel, and then fletched those together, making it answering it a community question. And there we go, it's uploaded. So now this is now live on secondary channel where I just recorded this video just a few moments ago with the everything that we wanted and the links and everything, right? So as you can see, this is this saved me probably, I don't know, probably at least like 20 minutes of work just by saying this, right? And I recorded it, dropped it into the folder, got the actual transcript of the video, and now it's posted on YouTube. And that is a high leverage. Now, if people are going to watch it, I'm not so sure. If we look into my secondary channel, yeah, I got 2 subscribers, basically a few views on these videos here and there. We got some good traction on this one, but it doesn't really matter, right? It's like someone is going to search for this, and who knows, it might even rank on Google. So what I would want to do now is I would want to send this to an indexation service so it gets indexed on Google. So whenever somebody is searching OpenAI versus Anthropic for OpenClaw, well, my video might just get that view. And who knows? If my conversion rate for them to join the community is like 1%, yeah, 1 in 100, but 100 people or 100 views it's not too bad. And I think this channel could grow over time as well. So one more thing I'm going to do for this video here is I'm going to collab. Yeah, invite a collaborator. And I'm going to do Kevin. There we go. I'm going to create a video link. That means I'm pretty sure there's an easier way to do this, but I'm just going to do this like this. I'm going to switch my account and I'm just going to enter that. It's no new requests yet. Okay, that's weird. Anyway, I'm going to sort this out. You don't have to think about it. But now I would basically want to collaborate on that with my secondary channel so that people might even be able to click into that or benefits my main channel in some way, shape, or form. Now, next thing I'm going to set up for this is also automatic thumbnails that are a bit more sexy than what they are right now. From what it seems like, people are more likely to click whenever there's text on the screen. So that's something that I'm going to learn from and basically fix, basically. Yeah, let's jump into the code again and see where we're at with the main plan, which this video is about. All right, so since I got this one very, very good and we fixed all of the things here, upload, so I'm just going to make it into a skill. So good job, save this secondary channel upload process as a skill and save our learnings to it as well. Cool. And then what I'm going to do is, as said, I'm going to set up a thumbnail system. So then whenever I call upon the skill, it's basically going to do that as well. All right, so just after that, my channel basically now finished its analysis of my things, and it's basically put up the scenarios. And it opened up an HTML file here. Am I a big fan of the red on green? No, it's not good, but that doesn't really matter. So you can see my daily performance here for my videos. I can't really hover over it, so that's unfortunate. And I'm gonna guess that this is subscribers. Yeah, net subscribers per day. And here's some key insights of all of my videos. So my top performing videos, 5K views average, is 20 minutes. So the sweet spot appears to be 6 to 16 minutes for my videos. And my 77-minute course got massive views, but had 25% average retention, which makes sense. Not everybody in today's society has the ding-dong to actually watch a video for a super long time. So shorter, focused tutorials retain much better. Best retention here was the Connect Google Drive to OpenClaw. So this teaches me that the hyper-specific, keyword-heavy videos that solves a very specific function for tools is a fantastic thing to do. Growth velocity, 74 subs per day and 3,346 daily views. I'm growing at a 34% month over month, which is a strong channel for whatever my subscribers is. Subscriber conversion, your videos average 130 subscribers gain per video. Best converter videos with strong CTS and community mentions. The beginner course drove 457 subs alone. So just providing enormous amounts of value is basically what we want to say. Prediction. So this is this is a really cool one. I haven't done this before, but I wanted to do this for myself and I just wanted to show you guys as well. So based on my current 12 uploads a month pace, averaging 7,857 views per video and 131 subs per video, models account for audience compounding, larger sub base, more initial views per video, which is true. So if I continue doing one video per day, I'll have 142,000 subscribers by December 31, and that's one video per day. Now, is that true? I don't know. I think that it would be higher. Total views would be about 10 million views if I did one video per day, and then I would have 286 videos. Now, obviously, this is really hard to do, like one video per day that has quality and teaches people something. That's really tough. One video / 2 days, subscribers by December 31, I would have 34,000, which is pretty cool if I'm doing every second day. Total views 2.2 views. So just me doing one video per day would result in so much bigger results, right? So then do I have to think to myself here, okay, how much would I earn with this? And like, how can I make sure that quality doesn't drop off? Because one of my biggest values is I don't want to upload shitty videos, right? We got subscribers, 20,298 and 1.2 million. 95 videos. And this as well, like I think that I would confidently and comfortably be able to make a full-time living, maybe even do $10,000 per month just by having this results, right? But the graph, if you look at the graph here, the exponential curve is like, if I were to do one video per day, it's enormous. That is really, really cool. And here's my retention analysis, right? So these are all my videos and we can check kind of what happened. Now I'm not gonna look through, but I can see the drop off points as well, and then basically get key insights from all of my videos, right? It gets my hook, it has my hook, it can check that out. And I think if we drop down, okay, so we don't have key insights on the retention here, But I'm basically not going to read that. I'm just going to have Claude kind of give me the biggest key takeaways on what I should be doing more of and what I should be doing less of. And here's all of my videos on the duration and all of that. And this is from this month, I think. It has some of my shorts as well, so that's why it's a bit off. But yeah, cool. So what can I do now? Well, I can basically now take this YouTube analytics that I have here, and now I can fetch that into my mission control that I have. So this means that whenever on command, I can start the automated process of checking my analytics for the month. So next month, I would probably do the same and then get the key learnings. And then I would infuse that into my video outline. I would infuse that into my canvas. I would infuse that to everything that I'm doing to keep a perpetual machine of learning to basically maximize the way that I operate on YouTube. Is this harder to do, easier said than done? Absolutely. But the more I build and the more skills that I stack and the more my workflows adapt and improve, the easier it becomes, right? So yeah, I think this is a cool concept, and I think you can start using this for yourself in the way that you think about however you want to analyze stuff, right? You can do this with your email newsletter. You can do this with your traffic. You can do this with your ads. You can do this with whatever, right? Just start the process of analyzing data in the way that you want to see it and with the goal of improving whatever the main KPI is of whatever you're doing, right? And then make the process. And then see what is it that you like about the process? What can be better about the process? What don't you like about the process? Write that down and then reevaluate. Is this better? Perfect. And then once you're done with that, you can set like, what is the baseline standard you want to improve upon every single time? And yeah, now what I can do is I can take this whole process here and I want to, so what was I missing? I was missing key insights. Where does my retention drop off? What can I fix in all of my videos? What's the common denominator? What are the filler words that I'm saying? Cool. How can we fix this? How can we integrate this into all of my next videos and make sure that it doesn't happen again? And that's the video, guys. And I just realized that this video is quite valuable, so I'm just going to upload it to my main channel. Cool. Take care, guys.